welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle and I am an avid crafter and thrifter. And recently I came upon a very large stash of doilies. Now I use doilies all the time in my card making and journal making. But when I came across all of these different colors and styles, some of these are even Martha Stewart. These are sticky. They actually have it adhesive on the back of them. Are quite thick. And then of course these here that look like a little bit like snowflakes. I thought there's got to be more uses than simply using them as the background of cards, which is what I typically use them for, kind of like just a decorative background. So I put my little brain together and I came up with what I think is 5 unique ways of using doilies in my card making. So let's see what I came up with. So idea number 1 is to make a bouquet out of a doily. Now, depending on the size of the card will determine the size of the doily that you want to use. I'm using an A2 size card, so I'm using a smaller doily on this. And all you do is fold it into thirds and then you fill it with all of the flowers and goodness. And there you have it, a little bouquet. Idea number 2 is to make a shaker card. So what I do here is just take a piece of clear acetate. It can be a sheet protector or contact paper, anything that's not sticky. And I'm creating a little frame that I'm going to adhere to the doily, but I'm also going to add a little bit of foam tape to give that some height so that the beads and sequins and whatever else you put in the shaker behind it can actually move around. So idea number 3 is to make an envelope out of the doily. The idea behind this one is that you are going to want to use a larger size doily because once you fold it up, you are going to lose a lot of the size. And a bonus is you can actually put something inside, a gift, some money, a surprise note, or you can do what I did here where I actually seal it closed and it's just for decoration. Idea number 4 is to use the doily as an ink mask. You can use any type of paper, any color, you can use any type of ink. I used the pigment ink here and it does take a while to dry and it kind of smears. So I would recommend using a permanent ink if you're doing this. And also I want to point out that I am using that Martha Stewart's doily backing, the sticky part that came off. This is kind of glossy and so I could actually just wipe this off and use it over again. The 5th and final technique is a bleach mask. So I used the doilies and laid them out in a specific pattern and sprayed 100% bleach on them. And this is how it came out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!